Well, you wanna make this paralaxing background, well, follow the tutorial for that specific reason. Oh yeah, by the way, for this buttons it's gonna be for a later video, so yeah, let's get started while waiting. Oh, it's already loaded. Okay. So basically what you wanna do is like actually have the sprite. Well, I just gonna copy the sprite because I can. I just wanted the assets. Okay. I copied the sprites. Put there. Like that. So we're just gonna I'm gonna place this on top just for reference. So you guys don't need to uh do stuff like that. So how can you run it is, let's delete off the blocks right here. Uh-huh. 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 Sorry if this taking time. So first we wanna, when we click green flag, the play button thing, instead of play button is a green flag. I don't know why they built that for green flag, but okay. First hide, and now we wanna render it. So make a render it. Run without screen refresh. Is it run without screen refresh? Let me see. Sorry, I didn't study yet. Let's see. Run without screen refresh. And hide that. So put render here. Now what do you wanna do is go to looks, scroll them to the least, like the most bottom, like the thing, like here. So like the first like costume is in the back, like the first ever costume is like for the background of it. The second costume is like from for the back like thing, but like this is for the background. That's background layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4. There you go. So basically, like if we talk about my sprite, that's like layer 4 is the like the front of it, and the layer and the background is the background. So now let's go to render. Let's go to 0 0. I'll go to 0 0. Let's make a new one. Oh yeah, it's already get it. Delete it. Set clone ID to 1. Okay, and then repeat 6. For me, it's 6 because that's how much layer that I have. So I have a fever there. Talking fever. Now let's make a clone of ourselves. Create a clone of myself. Change clone ID by 1. And then we want to switch costume, like and like in order for the backwards, like it's the opposite of the next costume. So what we want to do is put a minus. Costume number 1, like that. So now like that. Now let's go to the clone. When I start as a clone, show. because we don't want to see parallax background, only like white screen. Oh, okay. You're saying basic like that, so you can follow that, or yeah, wait for a second. The other one. Wait, what? Okay, so when I start as a clone, started as a pivot. When I start as a clone, uh, we want to. Okay, okay. Set clone ID to clone ID. We want to show, and then set clone ID to clone ID because we want to make sure that each clone have their own ID. So this is for the only one, the only layers one. All right. Okay, that. Now we wanna go back. Go to back. Okay, now let's put a forever loop, and then let's set like moves like in the intro. So let's go to mouse X divided by clone ID times 5. Clone ID times 5, and that's also what we're gonna do for the mouse Y. Instead of mouse X, let's just for mouse Y. There they go. Now what you're gonna have is this. Yay! And also this assets I actually made myself, and I follow the other like tutorial, which is like the Steamist. This is Steamist tutorial. So check that out. It's on the description. So bye, I guess. Yeah.